welcome back again to my channel Ebonigo TV. My Africa people, my European people, wetin I wan talk about today na about this girl be say they don let go for Edo State for Ikpoba. Now I wan talk about today. So this video don dey for social media for the past 1 week. You know say everybody is entitled to his or her own opinion, and wetin will even make me talk about this matter be say the way our police people, the way be say they handle this matter, e no even dey right. They get me. Most of una don watch the video now, una don still watch the update too. The way be say that they talk about this issue, the way that they do am, e no dey okay at all. Before I talk my own opinion, before I give my own opinion, be say for those people be say no really know wetin happen to the girl, no really know about the girl. This girl, so her name na Uwa, na 100 level student for Unibe of Edo State for there. Now the girl they go, they get me. So this girl, so now microbiology students. So the girl, so anytime we say she come back home, she always they go one church wey be say they close to their house for there. And there go they read one Redeemed Christian Church of God. And then she go they read. You know say inside church now, that place they very quiet. You feel anytime we say they read, you they get and when you understand. So that then she go they read before all those people. Some arrogant boys come, they go rape the girl. So the papa, the family, they wait because no matter if you go before, if you go in the morning, they come back for 5 o'clock to 6 next day, they come back house. So as they wait now, you know they come. You know how to tonight they get call from the security according to the news. Now they get call. They call to say maybe they can't see wetin happen to their pikin before they reach there. Now blood they come outside for the nose of the girl, the ear. The other side now blood full all your body where those boys take this gwangwaram. So now they can't rush the girl go hospital. They rush and go UBTH hospital. 3 days time the girl can't go. This thing they very shocking. The news they very shocking. Well. So our people for there, our youth for there, they don't see they protest about the matter. But when see they pay me pass now, the way the officers, the way they handle this issue, no even they right at all. You know just good. Because una wan tell me say if na president pikin na this thing happen to, so una no go before 1 week. The people will be say the thing wey be say they involved for all those things, so una no go fit breathe, they come outside. Una they make us they believe so una no dey even dey do una job well at all. Now they understand what I dey talk. At the same time too, those guys they wetin una dey think. Those people be say where they do all those kind thing, where they rape girl, wetin una dey think. Una wan tell me say girls no dey again. Now won't tell me say girls don't finish. Now won't tell me say I don't see woman again, because the thing they very bad. It they very touching for parents to see their daughter because be say they don't they raise for many years. They come now, come just wake up one day so now just take the life of that for the life of the daughter, the life of the pikin. It they very bad. If they do that kind of change, you no good at all. You no go lead you go anywhere. You no good at all. I don't really know what this world they turn to. Different things everywhere, different things. They get what I thought. And that Nigeria self, it today Nigeria they look and where I never know I want to put on. Because Europe for you now, if you want read na library day. Nigeria no library, nothing. For Europe, any community where you see, any community at all, you must see library for it. Any community at all, library go there. But Nigeria will not be like that. Africa will not be like that. That country na really zoom the way that they talk and na zoom. And even Nigeria, the way even come be now, say person no fit dey waka for night for anything, no fit waka. I remember there back home that time. Once it's 8 o'clock, you know what come up for where you dey, your mind go dey fear because of bad boys, because of all those girl no fit dey waka say okay with free mind, go dey waka for night go dey fear. Europe now you can walk at any time. For night you fit waka. The only thing wey go hold you now, popo na go hold you, control you. You are free, but Nigeria no be like that. Africa no be like that. For night, fear no go even let get waka. Even daytime self na wahala. Even boys self they call you say make you come greet now. So go na problem because of all those things. Our boys make una try, make una dey change. Make una dey change. Now they get what they talk. See the way we say you want to take the life of that innocent girl now. That girl just go like that. That girl just go. Why pay me well. See the girl now, the dream of that girl now you cut her short because of na cucumber. Una no gree put for one place. What una can't gain now? As una can't let go this girl, na can't short the girl life. Now what una gain? Wetin una gain, my brother? Wetin una gain? Una wey do this thing, wetin una gain? And our police people, now the way they do their matter, now you see say this thing wey happen now. Now innocent people dey go carry because they don't know their job. They don't know their work. Innocent people be say never know anything about am. Now they come carry, they come force word for a mat. They come tell us say talk say na like this, na like this. Make people feel say that they do their work. They don't know their job. And wetin I go tell una wey be the ekpokpo wey dey Nigeria, this thing wey happen, so una make sure say una hold the right person wey be say dey involved for this thing. Not be so una go carry person wey be say no one, no two. So una come put her for front say una dey do una job, whereas na not do una job, because innocent people na full that prison wey dey Nigeria for that side. Because this thing wey happen, I believe say before they break, Niger sef dey close to Nigeria. Before they break, they don pass backyard comot. They don pass back. Cotonou sef, e dey close to them. Cameroon sef, e dey close to them. So this thing now, na innocent people they want you carry for all this thing. So innocent people, because our police don't know their job, they don't know what they supposed to do as officer, they don't know their job. I don't want they pay me for inside. If na Europe now, they say okay, no, they go bring the matter. Anybody be say they carry come outside, because it's now the fingerprint or take cash and say see who do one. But Nigeria, they break, and that is your apple. So the person don't move. Now innocent people the one they carry for this thing. So it is very painful, sha. And those people be say do that wherever una dey, una no go ever go unpunished. Una no go unpunished. As una do this, as una send that girl go like that, so as una send that girl life like that, so now God na go judge una. Now God na go judge una. Because see the family now, the papa, the mama now, una come make the day hopeless now. May God give them the strength to overcome this. May God give them the strength wey to take bear this thing, because e no easy at all. E no easy. On the behalf of Uwani family, I dey very sorry, because wetin those guys do, e no good at all. They no try, they no do right thing at all. They no try. Wetin they do, they very touching, they very painful well. They make una try, make una put una self together. Una dey get me, so they understand wetin I talk. I pray that God should give you people the grace, the strength to overcome this thing, because e no easy. The thing no easy to bear. I know say you know, but make una put una self together. My people, I go leave una make una watch the video. May not be say only more you come here, come talk and say una no still well, because many people never still know wetin happen. You understand? At the same time, if you are new to this my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime I post video for this my channel. You go to get the updates. Thank you for watching. May God bless you all in Jesus' name.
At the scene of the incident in Ove Quarters, Ikpoba Hill, Benin City, revealed that the church in which the deceased was allegedly raped and killed was under lock. Some windows in the church were shattered by suspected groups in anger over the dastardly act. At the residence of the bereaved family, situated at Michael Lane in Ove Quarters, Benin City, sympathizers flocked the residence to condole with the family. Father of the deceased, Elder Johnson Omozua, said life has become miserable for him, as the only daughter who gives him joy was killed, and demanded for justice.
When I got to the scene of crime, that what I saw there, the damages, even the weapon that was used, because the guy was not hit any part of the body, only the head. Blood from the nose, from the ear, from the mouth. With the situation of this girl, I made this girl coma. And since even this situation is increasing.
Friends and associates of late Miss Vera Uwaila Omozua protested to the headquarters of Edo State Police Command, Benin City, and called on the police to fish out those behind the act. The protesters were also at Government House, Benin City. Addressing the protesters, the Commissioner for Social Development and Gender Matters, Miriam Edeko, said government is already on top of the situation.
We are very passionate as government on gender-based issues. Issue of rape, defilement, violence against persons.
On what the police are doing to ensure justice on the issue, the Police Public Relations Officer at Edo State Command, DSP Chidi Nwambuzo, said one suspect is currently in custody over the incident and sympathized with the family of the deceased.
The items used in assaulting and wounding her was recovered. a fire extinguisher cylinder. Immediately, the operatives who were with the specialist screened the fingerprint on the cylinder, moved the body of the victim while she was still alive and in a state of coma. The area commander in charge of Ikpobahi Area Command took it upon himself, mobilized his operatives, moved to town around the area of incident, and the suspect was apprehended.
Until her death, Ms. Vera Uwaila Omozua was a 100-level student of microbiology, University of Benin. Wellington Hakodija reporting.